Kenya Pipeline Company shares worth 106.31 billion shillings to the public in one of the largest listings in Nairobi Security Exchange history. Treasury CS John Badi says the offer involves more than 11 billion shares priced at 9 shillings each, representing a 65% stake in the strategic infrastructure firm. Hibak Said reports.
Ordinary retail domestic investors will now have access to the planned listing of Kenya Pipeline Company, one of the most significant capital market events in more than a decade, and the first major state divestiture since the Safaricom public listing 17 years ago. The move is expected to expand public ownership of strategic national infrastructure while deepening Kenya's capital markets.
This is what we call democratizing wealth, and we are democratizing ownership of KPC. It is going to be owned by Kenyans.
According to the Nairobi Securities Exchange, the planned offer reflects renewed confidence in the market's ability to absorb large, high-quality listings. Equity market capitalization has now surpassed 3 trillion shillings, supported by improved liquidity, strong daily trading volumes, and rising investor participation.
It is a decision about capital efficiency, not asset disposal, as some people are trying to make it appear. We all know that our economy is at a critical turning point, and to sustain the economic achievements realized thus far, both at the macro and fiscal level, that is reduced inflation or low inflation as we see today, the interest rates which have started showing clear signs of coming down, currency stabilization that has been of benefit to us, and especially exporters of goods and services, GDP growth that has been above average in the region.
This is expected to allow first-time investors to directly own stakes in critical infrastructure entities. Regulators have also expressed confidence in the ongoing bull run, now in its second year, citing strong demand for previous issuances, including oversubscribed green and infrastructure bonds.
The staff of the company will have 5% of the ownership offered to them. The oil marketing companies, 15%. The local retail investors, 20%. The local institutional investors, like pension funds and others, insurance companies, are offered 20%. The local retail investors is you and I, the individual people. East African investors, because we are in a region, we must think and remember our neighbors, 20%. And finally, foreign investors will have 20%.
Hibak Said for TV 47.